So hey everyone, we are going to create our market research report that has been given from our college, and my topic is quite different from others, as you see, because my topic is how chatbot and AI is impacting on the cognitive points of anyone, like from student to professional and any given person who are using that AI. Are they able to use their basic cognitive tasks like writing a correct grammatical sentence, gaining knowledge, or trying to extract any kind of a real source material from a certain point? And that is the thing. What are the challenges that they are facing, and what is the main function why they are using the AI? Is there any kind of a disadvantage that they will bear in the future? What are the outcomes of that AI? It is really necessary to scroll any kind of a given question directly to use as direct AI or any kind of a chatbot? Why we are not searching our answer inside the book, getting done time, and why the modern society is going for AI? It is a very typical task that no one is talking about, that even though there are very good source material available on there, we need to study, we need to work a little bit more patient, more time, and we can get the result. But people are want everything quick in a minute. The attention span of any person is reducing, and what the hectic task that really want to remove by the AI, and what are the important tasks, and what are the really important tasks that helps to grow someone. Like for example, if a children didn't memorize how to calculate, what are the basic functions, what are the basic symbols and signs, they cannot use calculator, and even though they cannot use computer. And in this report I will create at least 7 chapters. Every chapter has its own purpose, and also I will create a questionnaire for 100 people to create a good survey and get the best result from them also. And it is really important task, and that it's and I will make one hard copy in a spiral format and one hard copy in a professional format. And it will be a very good task to enhance my skills, to do something important that really works, that really admire my work, and give me a great strategic importance of how to go behind any particular topic in depth. And that is the thing. So here you are watching that it is my chapter number 1, and that one is personalized learning and intelligent academic support. And I have written at least 4 pages on this particular topic. I know I have taken some help with the chatbot, but most of the part is taken from Wikipedia and other articles like Aeon essays and some points from Hindus. And you see that I have written all the source material of every particular topics. And here's a point: risk over reliance and the changing nature. And every source, the 3 University is a very good source, AI Pro is a very good source, Doctor Study Learning is one of the great source website available on internet, you can check for. And then there is Equity, Ethics and the Future of Hybrid Model Human Collaboration. These all things I have taken, and some part of the Nobel Prize winner, I don't know their name, but he's a very genuine person. I have watched his reel on that platform, and that's it. This much I have completed. So that is today's video. I hope you like it. But I am creating this kind of a video for myself to get a great memory of my personal view, that how I have enjoyed such kind of activities. Thank you.